Hello, good morning. In today's class, I will show you some of the basic commands in AutoCAD. So I'll be using this 2006 version. So though it is an older version, all the commands which you'll be using are same. Okay, the very first thing which you have to do is units. So you have to go to format units. So here you will fix up the units in which you will be working your drawing. Here you have decimal, architectural, engineering and everything. So if you give engineering, you will be getting the dimensions in feet and inches. If you give decimals, it will be in the precision. That is, precision can be set here 0.000 something like that. So initially we can set 0.00. It depends on the unit which you are using. If you are using millimeter, you can directly use this, or if you are using meters, you can take up to 3 decimal places. Okay, this is unit of scale. So I will take here meters. Okay, I will take this. So that is the first thing. So after this, you can directly start measuring. Let's say you have some line to be drawn. So this is the line command. So it states that line command. So simply you have to click one point, and if you see, this line can be drawn inclined also, right? So if you come here, you have O snap, polar, ortho, many commands are there. So now ortho is off. If the ortho is off, the you can draw inclined lines as well. So if you turn on ortho, only perpendicular lines can be drawn. Okay, so like this. So if you see, the dimension is coming like this, 515 meters, something like that. Let's say I want to draw a line of 2 meters. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click on line command. I will start a point and I will press 2 meters and enter. So if you press escape, so because it is completely zoomed out, it is coming like this. If you zoom in, so it will be something like this. So this is a line of 2 meters. So how to dimension this? Go to dimension, linear, go to this point, select this and measure. So again you have to change the dimension style also. There is separate settings for that. You can do that. So this is 2 meters. Done. So that is about the line command. Similarly, you will be using rectangle. So even that is very similar. So you can directly give the dimensions here 2 comma 3. If you put that, so this is 2 and this is 3. A rectangle you'll get. Similarly, circle. So it directly specifies here, specify center point of the circle, click the center, specify radius of the circle. Let's say your radius is 2.5 meters, enter. So this is the circle of radius 2.5 meters. So these are the three commands which you will be using most of the times: line, rectangle, circle. So it is enough if you learn these three drawing commands. Then comes in the right hand side, you have modifying commands. So there are number of modifying commands which you will be using. So one of that, I'll just mention the important ones. Let's say there is this rectangle. You have to copy this rectangle to other place. Let's say there is a line here. Okay, and also one more thing, this O snap, or it is also called object snap. See, when I take any command, when I come near this, so it is automatically snapping this point. That is the object snap. So if you turn on this object snap, that thing will not come. See, it is not coming. So it is always better if you use this object snap button. Okay, so coming back, let's say I'm using modifying command, that is copy. So you can simply type cp enter for copy, or also it will be available here. So this represents copy. Okay, so you can click that and get into it. Select objects, it is telling. Okay, I will select this object, enter, and then you have to place this rectangle over this line, let us say. So what I'll do is I'll select this as the base point of the rectangle. See, again it is moving in only horizontal and vertical directions. So if you turn off this ortho, you will be able to move it anywhere, right? I'll turn off the ortho and I will place this rectangle on this line like this. Got it? So this is how the copy command works. So next you have move. Okay, so move is also similar to copy, but the thing is the whole object will be moved. So there it was a replicate of that. Now the object itself will be moved. Okay, that is one thing. Now let's say you have one more beautiful command in AutoCAD, that is offset. You can simply type in O and enter. So it is telling specify offset distance. Let's say I want to draw a brickwork of say 0.23 meter inside. Okay, I have specified 0.23 meters. Select object. So this is the object, and now where do you want it, whether you want outside or inside, you have to click there. I want inside. See, so all the rectangle with this distance, of 0.23 meters is drawn here. So this command is used very often in AutoCAD. It saves most of your time. And also there is one more command called trim. So it is also very useful to you. Tr enter, or you can completely try trim, or this option here over right hand corner, trim. Okay, it states that. So once you take this trim command, tr enter, so you can press one more enter, and then simply click on the objects or the extra lines which you want to trim it off. Now this is an extra line, I want to trim it off. I will simply do it. I'll explain this command once again. Take trim, tr enter, press enter one more time, and then click on the extra line. All right. Now similarly, let's say I have a line here, and I want to extend this line till here. Okay, for that you can use extend command, extend, or simply ex enter. So select the object, or again press enter one more time, and simply click on the object which you want to enter. I will explain once again this command, ex enter, one more enter, and click on the edge to be extended. Done. So these are the commands, and also there is one more command called rotate. So you can put ro enter, select the object, enter, and specify the base point. And because the ortho is off now, you can rotate it anywhere as you like. If you turn on ortho, it can be rotated only in right angles. See, it is rotated. Like that, there are other commands also, you can just go through them. So this is about drawing commands and modifying commands. These are the pretty basic commands which you will be using. If you learn them, it is more than enough. And I'll quickly explain you the dimension settings. That is also very important. People will be facing difficulty most of the times. I'll go to linear, dimension, linear. So specify this point like this. So it is coming as 8,14. Now I want this to be changed. I don't want like this. Okay, so I'll go to dimension style. So look at this very carefully. There are a lot of commands which you can use. Modify, and here there are number of things. You have to understand each of them what it is. Okay, draw something, go to dimension style, change each one of the parameters, and come back here and see what is happening. Okay, the first thing which I will be doing is I'll go to this text, or primary units. Okay, I'll go to this primary units. So here I'm looking at 8,14. So here you see decimal separator, so that needs to be changed. It should be 8.14, right? I will change that. I'll click OK. You have to click set current and then close. See, it is now 8.14. And again I'll go back to dimension style. I'll go to modify, I'll go to text, and here you can see text style. You can change the style of the text. Font name, you can use many number of font sizes are there. I'll simply go to Times New Roman. Height of the text also you can type in here itself. Apply, close. So here there is also text height. You can vary the height. Here it is actually 2.5 meters height it will be there. So it is very big. So I'll just give it 0.5. Okay, okay, set current, close. See, it changed. Now if you see, these arrowheads are too much, the arrow size is too much. Go and change that. Dimension style, modify, symbols and arrows. See, arrow size is very big, so let's give 0.5. Okay, okay, set current, close. See, arrows size is also changed. Now these extension lines are big. You want to change that. Again, go back there and change that. And one more nice command which you have in AutoCAD is match. See, once the dimension style is set, so the same dimension style will be applied to all the other things. Okay. If you had drawn it previously, uh, then you can use command MA, match. So you can use this to apply to this. If the dimension styles of these two are different and you want to make it same, you can use that match. You can simply put MA enter and try to use that command. Okay, so that is about dimension. Again, you have aligned. Aligned is used for inclined lines or inclined objects. See, it is measuring in inclined direction. So, and again, you can mention the radius and other thing. And one more thing which you need is M text, multi-text. So there you have to draw a box here. You'll have to type in here. Let's say kitchen. You're typing kitchen. See, the height is 2.5 meters. Again, you can change that. Select here. Let's type in 1 meter times New Roman. Okay, so this kitchen will come. You want to move that inside some box. You want to move this inside this box. M, enter. Select this, enter, and you can simply see it is moving only horizontally and vertically. Turn off this ortho and bring it here. Okay, so the same thing, I'm taking move and enter. So when you are coming here, turn off the ortho. When you are coming here, see this object snap is disturbing you. Now if you do that, this object will be placed along this line. So you can quickly go back here, turn off object snap and place it anywhere you want, as close to this line you want. If the ortho was, sorry, all object snap was on, then it would have prompted you to put that kitchen in this corner itself. So like that, you have to turn it off and turn it on whenever it is necessary. That is about M text. Even it is used most of the times in your drawings. So these are the some of the commands which you will be requiring. So practice all these commands, and if you face any difficulty, please contact me and try to draw different plans or different examples which you have. I'll also give you the manual, CAD lab manual. Practice all the drawings and be familiar with all the commands. Okay, I'll be stopping this session now. So if you have any doubts, you can please contact me. Thank you.